this video I am going to analyze the dictionary which is given by our AP government as the Jagananna Vidya Kanuka primary level illustrated dictionary. This is primary level dictionary, illustrated dictionary, which means we have pictures to the word. We have related pictures to the word. English Telugu. We have English and Telugu meanings also. This is primary level illustrated dictionary, English and Telugu meanings and textual vocabulary. 2500 words in this dictionary. Illustration means we have pictures. And also left side Constitution of India preamble. This is the first page of the dictionary. Now let's see how to use this dictionary. Okay, guide words, which means we have two words on the top of the page. First word of the page and last word of the page. It means the page will be started with this word and ended with this word. These are the starting word and ending words of this page. Okay. Next, new letter section. This is which letter we are using in this page, throughout the page. And also the word started with this letter. So all the words are started with H. This is new letter section. This is new letter section. Next, first word. What do we say? First word is habit here. So the page started with habit. The word habit. This is called head word. Habits is noun. Here we have the parts of speech. The habit word related to or which part of speech is here they mentioned. Okay, and plural form. The word is habit, plural form is habits. Next, and also English meaning. We have English meaning. How do we define the word in English is here. And also Telugu meaning also there. Telugu meaning, habit. For habit, Telugu meaning is abhyasam, alavatu, vaduka, like that. And also pronunciation. We have pronunciation means how to call it, like that. Here habit in Telugu. How to pronounce. ఎలా పలకాలో దాన్ని తెలుగులో ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Pronunciation. These are the parts of any word. Next, sample sentence. This is sentence with the word, which means we use the word in a sentence. How to use the word in sentence? Like this. So these are the parts. First part is head word. How do we call the word first? Head word, plural form, and English meaning, Telugu meaning, pronunciation, sample sentence. And also other parts, picture illustration, which means if it is handbag, we have handbag picture. If it is hand cart, we have hand cart picture, like that. Every word has a picture. Next, parts of speech. Parts of speech means verb, pronoun, whatever it is, parts of speech. Adverb or verb, noun, adverb, adjective, like that. Here the word related to which part of speech it can show. Here hanger. So the hanger picture is here. Next, verb forms. Some words has verb forms. Some action words have verb forms. Happen, happens, happening, happened. These are verb forms. Happens present tense, happening present continuous, happened is past tense, like that. And also related words. Happen is verb but happiness is noun. So those are related words to the given word. Next, comparisons. Here adjectives. Hard. For hard, harder, hardest. When we compare to another object or another thing, we use like this. So those are called comparisons. Numbered meanings. Number of meanings. For every word there are so many meanings. So numbered meanings. Here hard has two meanings. No, not soft to touch, not easy to break, and also difficult to understand. Those are two meanings for hard. So both meanings are mentioned here. Okay, this is the dictionary for primary level. We have habit, hard, the first word and the last word. Let's check. First word is habit, last word is hard. So in this process we have dictionary and we have so many parts. In that, plural form are English meaning, Telugu meaning, pronunciation, how to pronounce, picture illustration, parts of speech, verb forms, related words and comparisons and numbered meanings. Like that, these are the parts of our dictionary. And also in every dictionary start with A. Okay, and we have A to Z words in this dictionary, in every dictionary. So if we want to have the meaning of A letter word, we search in this A starting letter. Okay, these are A letter words, like that. This is a company starting word and adult is last word, like that. These are A letter words. What is after A? We have B. So these all A letter words. And also we have some additional domestic animals, like that, additional part of this dictionary. Wild animals, sea animals. Next, after A we have B. So these are B letter words. So many words. So these are all B letter words. So if you want to check B letter word, through this page. Okay, we'll check. Next, birds. Here birds. Next, another parts of body, parts of our body, like that. These are additional. Next, after B, C letter words, like that. We have up to Z. We have professions. In every last of the seasons in India. So S letter words, seasons in India, like that. Shapes. Next, T means the tastes. So starts with T. Tools, like that. So the letters up to Z. So A to Z words we should search for meanings, parts of speech, verb forms, sample sentence, how to pronounce. We should check. Next we have maths vocabulary. We have maths vocabulary also here in Telugu and pronunciation, English word pronunciation and also Telugu meaning. These are maths vocabulary. These are also A to Z. A to Z. Whatever possible to A to W we have. Okay. This is about maths. And also cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Like that. These are cardinal, these are ordinal. And also days of the week, months of the year. We have so much information in this dictionary. And clock, 24 hours time, 12 hours time. And also environmental studies vocabulary. Okay. This is also from A to Z. Okay. A starting letters and B to W. A to W. So these are environmental studies related words. Okay. Yoga. And also family. This is also part of environmental studies, family and internal parts of body, millets and also animals and their homes. So much information, bulk of information. Objects at home. Next, English grammar, parts of speech. If we read properly or if we understand properly this book, we can make our English fluently or vocabulary perfectly. So much information. Action verbs, adverb, prepositions, parts of speech, pronoun, adjective, verb, preposition, adverb. Not only for the students, teachers also, it will be very useful. Interjection, classroom objects with pictures. Nice. Animals and young ones, singular plural forms with the pictures, very helpful, very useful up to 10th standard. Verbs with action, with illustrations. Wow. Irregular verbs list. Okay. Past participle, present tense, past tense, past participle, present participle. Very nice. Verb tenses with sentences and punctuation marks. So very nice. Types of sentences. Consonant words. We have vowels and consonants. These are consonant words. Phonics. Long vowels. Long vowel means two vowels letters. In any word, two vowels are there. Okay, like that. Long vowels. Opposites, these are the. Here we have fundamental duties and right to act information, right to education information. So much information in this